In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple animated GIF using GIMP, an incredibly powerful open source image editor. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their design skills or simply create fun, animated GIFs for social media or personal projects. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. First things first, to begin our journey into the world of GIF creation, open up your GIMP application. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, and it's a great alternative for Photoshop if you're seeking a free option with a wide range of functionalities. Make sure you have it installed and ready to go before starting this tutorial. Once GIMP is open, we need to upload the images you want to use in your GIF. For this demonstration, we'll work with two images. To upload your first image, click on File in the menu at the top, and then select Open. Browse your files for the image you want to start with and click Open once you find it. You'll see your image appear in the main window of GIMP. Now for our second image, we're going to add it as a new layer. This is important because each layer in GIMP will act as a frame in your GIF. Go back to File, and this time select Open as Layer. Again, find your second image, click Open. This method of adding the second image ensures it's positioned on top of the first one, essentially stacking them. Now that your images are in place, it's time to optimize your GIF for the best possible playback quality. This might sound slightly technical, but don't worry, it's straightforward. Navigate to the Filters menu, look for the Animation option, and click on Optimize for GIF. This step is crucial as it processes the images, making them suitable for animation by reducing unnecessary data, which often results in smoother playback. With everything optimized, it's time to export your GIF. Head over to the File menu once again and choose Export As. In the dialog box that appears, decide on a name and location for your GIF, making sure to change the file extension to .gif. Once you're happy with these details, proceed with Export. A new dialog box shows up, giving you options to adjust GIF settings, such as looping forever and delay times between frames. Ensure all settings are to your preference, and then click Export once more. And there you have it, your very own animated GIF created using GIMP. Whether you're using these steps to craft memes, highlight a product, or just make something for fun, mastering GIF creation can add a new dimension to your digital toolkit. Thank you for following along, and I hope to see your creative GIFs out there soon.